Alright guys, let's set this straight right now. Why is everybody hating on these Jordan 4 olives, alright? These craft medium olives right here, whatever you want to call them.
Hey man, watch this video before buy. Or, hey man, why are they still sitting? Hey, I just don't like the fact that they're changing up. Why did they keep it original? Why is it an OG?
All that. Alright, let me stop playing, yo. But right now, man, let's talk about the Jordan 4 craft medium olives, or Jordan 4 craft olive, whatever you want to call them. Right now, check it out, baby. Alright guys, so yo man, we back at it again with another sneaker video, guys. And again, like I tell you before, as the sneakers come, the ones we like, we will cop. The ones we don't like, we will not cop. Like I said, we are officially copping sneakers that we like. And these here, for me, definitely, in my eyes, are absolutely dope. And right now, I'm giving these a 9 out of 10. It would have been a 10 out of 10, and I will let you know later in the video. But before we even get started, guys, yo man, don't forget, man, can you hit that like button? And if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, follow me on my Instagram now, and we'll put it up in the description right now. It is currently consisted of gaming and sneakers. It pretty much is going to be like a little insider of T-Ray family and things like that, you know, stuff like that. But you know, okay, enough of that. Let's get here what we're here for right now. And yeah, here we go, guys, jumping right into this absolute fire box. I do like the way they did this, and the box they come in, yo, dope. Definitely like it. Coming in a nice green box here. As you can see, the Jumpman is in it like a little, I call it a, it's not gold, I guess you would say. It's like a let's see what color we're looking for here. Like a, let's go with light green with the white flight here. And as you can see, we do got the nice little cement speckles in it as well. As you can see here on the side here, same thing, nice little speckles here, same thing on the back. And hey, like I said, these here, man, absolutely dope. I do like what they did with the actual box here. This green, you know, this green is just phenomenal. I'm telling you now, if you're a person that keep your boxes, this is the one to keep right here. And I'm pretty sure all you sneakerheads, you already know, definitely, you know how we do things with these boxes. This is a keeper, man. Absolutely, just fire, man. Love it. As you see the inside of here, we got that smooth, like smooth army green. I call it that army green, as you can see here. And we do have that tissue paper here that got the actual cement look with it as well. But right now, let's dive right into what we have today. And I must say here, these sneakers here, again, for me, is a actual cop. Not a drop, cop. I love them. I definitely like the way they look. I do like the way that they changed it up. Yeah, this only one thing, again, I'm gonna let you guys know about what I wish they would have did with it. But here, jumping into it here, Jordan 4, here he is right now in our face. Jordan 4 craft olives right here, or if you want to say craft medium olive, if you want to say right here. Now, consisting of a nubuck and an actual suede look here. We do have a little bit of a pretty cool little texture here, as you can see. The bottom here, you do have a nice rubber black, a little cream here. We do have this little bit of the I don't know what kind of green they call that. We're just gonna call it a nice lighter shade of green here. We do have on the back side of it, as you can see here, we do have this nice smooth patch of nubuck, I would say, like a nubuck brown. That's just my opinion. I would, let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know if I can be wrong. It's actually, or is it like a transparent type thing here? It might be transparent because you can't see my finger through it here. But as you can see, the pull tab here. And again, let's just talk about what we have here. So we do have this nubuck that is going through this actual sneaker here. As you can see, it's going throughout the mid and also going towards the back of the heel of the sneaker here, going on the other side of the mid here, going right into this nice toe box, as you can see. And then we have the shade of a nice suede, like a hairy suede, going throughout this whole silhouette of this sneaker here, matched up with the nice green laces. Now, before we talk about it, yo, let me know. Would you think some cream laces would put pretty fire in this here? I'm thinking some cream laces might set it off here. That's just my opinion on it. Here, jumping back into the video, we do have a nice, and you know what? Jungle green. Y'all remember jungle green? That's what I'm thinking in my head. Jungle green, like that color jungle green. But yeah, here we go. We do have this nice, again, we do have the all black Jordan patch right here with the white here. Also, we do have the actual, like a lighter shade of green here as the Jumpman here. Inside of the tongue, we do have that upside down Air Jordans writing in the inside of it here. And also the, you can see on the eyelids here, this is a nice, got the black going on here. Now, where I was getting at with this here, I wish this sneaker would have had some leather in it. Some black leather in this would have just set it off. Even if it's around, if it would have been just around the actual ankle of this actual sneaker here, that would have definitely, I think it would have took it to another level. Here, looking at the netting here, guys, we do have that nice green netting here. Now, if we could have got at least a shade, or even if the netting, I think, was like that color right here, you let me know. Like if this here was this here, let me know what y'all would y'all rock with that in the comments. Let me know. I mean, but this is still fine because you can't go wrong with a nice green shade of sneaker here. Green always, I think, for me, for a sneaker, it definitely just sets the tone for the sneaker here. But jumping right into here, we do have, see on this base of this sneaker here, we do have a nice rubber, a rubber sole panel plate going throughout the sneaker here. We do have the one air bubble here, and you already know in our force, we do have our nice little incline going on right here as well. Shades of black in it, and we do have the actual yellow Jumpman at the bottom of the sneaker here, right along with that sail look, or is that a white? Or more of sail, I guess, whiter sail on the bottom of this actual sneaker here, guys. But I must say, these sneakers are absolutely dope to me. I do like them. I really think that these set the bar. And I know a lot of people was legitly hating on it, but again, guys, I definitely love them. For me, also to say is if you are a flat-footed person, definitely size and a half up. For me, I would say true to size right now, you know, for me. But if you definitely are rocking flat-footed, definitely you want to go a size up possibly, because these will rock your pinky toe to death. I'm trying to tell you, these fours get a little heavy at times, but yeah, they are a pinky toe killer. But also, if you just, I mean, again, I'm talking for the flat-footed people, half size up or don't even get them at all, because it definitely will destroy that pinky toe. I'm just saying, guys. Here, left sneaker here, guys, same identical sneaker here on the right. Pretty much that's just putting it in a nutshell. I can't tell you too many more of like any other detail of it. If I miss anything, y'all let me know in the comments. But I'm just excited to say that this is actually a dope sneaker, man. I know a lot of people saying watch before you buy. These are still sitting. And also, man, let me know about this one patch. Now that there is a little suspect for me, but you know, it is what it is. I guess this is a craft sneaker. I guess they had to add that in there to make it look like it's just crafted up or whatever the case may be. But as far as that, guys, hey, 9 out of 10 for me. I definitely like the sneaker here, and you can't beat it. I think they did good changing it up a little, you know, changing the style up on it. And I just want to say applaud, hats off to the Jordan team to continue to do so, just like they did the same thing with the actual reimagined Jordan 1s. But yeah, as far as that, guys, hey, much love always on the videos, man. I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. We got more to come, and till then, man, hit the like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and yeah, man, follow me on Instagram, man, and I will holler at you guys. Peace.